Welcome back to Luxury Road Life Motors, the channel where we explore the world's most extraordinary machines transforming the way America travels. Today, we're stepping inside something so luxurious, so advanced, so over the top, that calling it a motorhome almost feels disrespectful. This is the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome, a $2 million rolling luxury estate engineered for the elite. Whether you dream of cruising across Route 66, camping in the Rockies, or taking a coast-to-coast journey, this machine turns every mile into a first-class experience. So buckle up, because what you're about to see feels less like 2026 and more like a glimpse of the future. Let's start with the outside. The 2026 Maybach Motorhome takes the unmistakable Maybach design language and scales it into a road-commanding masterpiece. Sculpted LED lighting, a massive chrome-accented grille, and aerodynamic body lines give this vehicle a presence that stops traffic. Whether you're rolling into Miami Beach or cruising through the Nevada desert, one thing is guaranteed: everyone will look. This thing doesn't just arrive. It makes an entrance. Most RVs look like boxes on wheels, but this looks like a billionaire touring America in style. Step inside, and immediately, the world outside fades away. You are greeted by CEO-level comfort wrapped in premium Maybach craftsmanship. Checkmark soft touch Maybach leather seating. Checkmark diamond stitched design. Checkmark real wood finishing through the walls and cabinets. Checkmark a warm ambient LED glow that feels like a 5-star hotel. This isn't a living area, it's a private penthouse lounge on wheels. And because this vehicle is engineered for US road travel, the layout is open, spacious, and built to maximize comfort no matter how long the journey. Imagine taking a cross-country trip, and your living room always looks and feels this good. This is where the motorhome jumps from luxury to science fiction. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is packed with futuristic technology, including AI-controlled ambient lighting that adjusts to mood and time, automatic temperature balancing throughout the cabin, sliding smart walls for privacy and room expansion, voice-controlled screens and entertainment, and reclining massage seats designed for long-haul comfort. It feels like you're inside a moving smart home. Everything responds instantly, seamlessly, effortlessly. This is technology designed not to overwhelm you, but to disappear into the experience. Now let's talk about where you'll sleep, because Mercedes went all out. The Master Suite features: checkmark a full-size Maybach bed with luxury bedding. Checkmark a dynamic skylight that reveals the stars as you sleep. Checkmark hidden storage seamlessly built into the cabinetry. Checkmark a TV that rises silently from the cabinet like a magic trick. This bedroom isn't just comfortable, it's beautifully engineered. Picture yourself waking up in this bed while parked beside the Grand Canyon, Yosemite, or the Florida Keys. This isn't camping. This is living your best life on the road. The kitchen is designed with American travel in mind: spacious, functional, and premium. Smart induction cooktop, high-end oven, touchscreen refrigerator, marble countertop, deep-set modern sink. Every element feels like it belongs in a modern luxury apartment, not a vehicle. And the bathroom, honestly, it puts most apartment bathrooms to shame. Inside, you'll find checkmark warm soft lighting. Checkmark a full rainfall shower with stone-style tiling. Checkmark a Maybach finished vanity with premium materials. Checkmark and plenty of storage for long trips. This is one of the most refined bathrooms ever installed in a motorhome. Now, despite all the luxury inside, this is still a machine built to conquer American highways with complete confidence. The driving experience includes an ultra-silent cabin that isolates road noise, advanced suspension that smooths rough terrain, 360 degrees cameras with bird's-eye monitoring, auto lane assist for safer long-distance driving, multiple powertrain options, including a smooth V8 and a hybrid system. Behind the wheel, it feels as refined as a Maybach S-Class, only bigger, stronger, and designed to take you anywhere. Long drives become effortless. The miles, they just melt away. And that is the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome, a masterpiece of engineering, comfort, and pure luxury. It's not just a way to travel, it's a lifestyle upgrade. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want to see more luxury motorhomes, supercars, and futuristic vehicles, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your journey into the world of ultimate automotive luxury starts right here.